Okay, so good morning. So it is bright and early. It is 7:01 and I'm gonna go to the store after the gym, but I wanted to clean out my refrigerator. So this is the current state of my refrigerator. Can y'all see in there? This door never stays open. All right, is this some? That's plastic. So there was food up there. So I'm gonna go through, get empty containers out, wipe the drawers out, the shelves, put all my condiments back up here because we have like random condiments laying down. Look, have a rice cake right here. Can you go cut it down? Can you go cut the phone down? Go cut it down. I swear, she hates me. All right, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna clean and then we'll go shopping. Okay. Took 19 or 18 minutes. It is now 7:19. So we're all cleaned up. I go back and forth about leaving this up or down. I'll probably put it back down so I can move more of my condiments over. But I know what I have. I know what I need. As you can tell, I need a lot of stuff because we have like nothing. This is our cheese and meat drawer kind of thing. And we have like a tablespoon of Mexican blend cheese because nobody in my house can finish up one product. So frustrating. We have some that little sliced sausage, 2 pieces of bacon, and some roast chicken that I use for my lunches. Did you get dressed? No, go get dressed first. Because you always have to get dressed before you come in here. You know that. I'm going to fix you some eggs and toast. Okay? Huh? We don't have any more. I'm going to pick up some today. Okay? And some blueberries. But I need you to go get dressed. Okay. So this is the fridge. So I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to go to the gym and then the store. And you'll see it when it's done.